In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Surfshark VPN on multiple devices simultaneously. Surfshark VPN offers a seamless way to protect your privacy online, and it's essential to know how to effectively manage it across all your devices. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. To get started, you want to head over to the official Surfshark website. This is the main portal where you can manage all aspects of your VPN service. Once you're there, look for the My Account section. This is key, as it acts as your control center for your subscription and device management. Click on My Account, and subsequently, you'll see an option to log in. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account. But for those who have one, simply click on Log In and enter your credentials. This step is crucial, as it will authenticate you and grant you access to your personalized Surfshark dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Surfshark homepage. This is your VPN hub where you can see your connection statuses, update your account, or explore other cybersecurity features that Surfshark offers. From this homepage, you'll want to navigate to My Account. Here, you can oversee all your Surfshark activities. Now, locate the option labeled Manage Devices. Clicking this will open a comprehensive list of all devices currently using your Surfshark VPN. This feature is particularly useful if you want to add more devices or check the ones that are already logged on. With Surfshark's policy allowing for unlimited connections, you can enjoy secure internet browsing on multiple gadgets without any restrictions. The next valuable step is to click on Device Details. This is where you can dive deeper into the specifics of each device connected to your account. Whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or laptop, you'll be able to see details that can help you manage connections more effectively. This page is helpful if you need to troubleshoot or disconnect any device that shouldn't be on your network. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly and securely use Surfshark VPN across all your devices. By customizing your VPN setup, you ensure that not only are you safeguarding your online presence, but you're also maximizing the efficiency of your Surfshark subscription. Remember, regular checks and updates can help maintain security and optimize your VPN usage. Thanks for joining me today, and happy browsing!